Filma o rostinho dele. Só dá azul em cima. Meu Deus do céu. Aqui, ó.
I was taking a bath, long about a Saturday night. A rough dad just fighting in the tub, thinking everything was alright. Well, Mom started screaming, I wondered what for. I thought I only farted, but I did something more. And in a splish splash, I left something in the bath. Well, how was I to know it was more than farting going on? There was a splishing and a splashing, tooting with a tootin', strutting and a jumping. Yeah! Bing bang, I saw the whole thing, floating by my little rubber duck. Flip flop, just spinning like a top. I thought my mom might have checked. It was round and round like a baby root. Good golly, said Mommy, that's some smelly poo. And well, a splish splash, she yanked me out the bath and went and put my potty pants on. There was a splishing and a splashing, tooting with a tootin', strutting and a jumping. Yeah! Splish splash, I was taking a bath.